Some, they said, the council is good, was good, and is good. But only the reform, they are bad. But that is not true. Why? Because when from Rome came the reform, they say always that the reform they do in the name of the council. In the name of the council. It's evident that all reform came from the council. And if the reform is bad, it's impossible that the council is good and all reform bad. Because that is authentic interpretation of the council by Rome. Rome said, in the name of the declaration of liturgy, we do the reform, liturgical reform. We can say, but that is not in the text of this declaration. But this man, they have authority to say that this became from the council. They know that. And I am sure that he is in the council. Even he is not expressively in the council, but he is in the spirit of the council. It's the same, for example, for the religious freedom. Now, they are the OLC and the all nuncios, they are against the Catholic state in the name of the council. In the name of the Declaration of Religious Freedom. That I heard that twice. The first time in Colombia, when I was in Colombia. I read in the paper, when I was in Colombia, I read in the paper that there is a change in the constitution of the Republic of Colombia. And they changed the first article, which said that the Catholic religion is recognized by the Republic, Colombian Republic. And they changed, they moved this article, the Supreme article. And I read the discourse of the President of the Colombia, of the Nuncius of Colombia, and of the Secretary of the Episcopal Conference in Colombia. And the President said he is very, very anxious. And he said to the people, we remove this article, we supprime this article, but we remain Catholic. I am a Catholic, and I can promise that I shall remain Catholic, and I do all possible to the concern the Catholicism in our country. That they said the President. After came the discourse of the Nuncius. Discourse of the Nuncius, it was a discourse of the Freemason. All the progress, the humanity, the evolution, and all ideas as can say the Freemason. And the third discourse of the Episcopal Conference, Secretary of the Episcopal Conference, he said, in the name of the Declaration of the Religious Freedom, we ask to the President of the Colombia to change to remove this article and to supprime this article in the Constitution. And I meet this secretary, the secretary of the Episcopal Conference in my visit in Colombia, and he said, during 2 years, we ask in the name of the Holy See to the President of Colombia to change his article in the Constitution. I don't accept the Council, because you destroyed the Catholic state in the name of the Council, of this Council. Yes, sure, that's sure. It's evident. No. I said, I said I do as I spoke with you now about the example of the Colombia, and he said, but it's the same here. It's the same here. I said him, well, and now I know that you are the responsible of the change of the constitution in Valais, in the Switzerland, in the canton of Valais, in the Switzerland. 1 year ago, they change the same, they do the same mutation, the same change in the constitution of the Valais. Because you know, in the Switzerland is a federation, and some states they are Protestant, some states they are Catholic, and the Valais is Catholic, and this constitution there was the first article in the state of Valais, where we are. Econ is in the state of Valais. The only one religion recognized by the state is the Catholic Church. And he said, yes, I'm responsible to this change. But what you do with the social kingdom of the Christ, of Jesus Christ? What is this for you? The kingdom of Jesus Christ. What you said when you say that kingdom come in your prayer, our Father, what you said, that kingdom come. He said, but now it is impossible. Now it is impossible. Send me the nuncius in there. And what you do with the encyclical of the Pope Pius XI, Quas Primas. Oh, but now the Pope cannot write an encyclical as Quas Primas. It is incredible. And all things in the name of the Council.